What's going on, guys? Enzo here, coming at you with a unboxing video. Hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving. Going to unbox the new Lazer ZX7 from Kyosho International. This is their new flagship four-wheel drive buggy kit, and I was able to get rid of my 6.6 car and just picked up the new ZX7 to match my RB7. So let's get into it and cut the seals. Alright, so we went ahead and cut the seal, and this is what you get when you open your new Lazer. Boom. So you got your manual. For those of you that have built Kyosho, you guys know the manuals. It's your antenna tubes, some tools, sticker sheet in between, a couple other fine little goodies. You do get a set of Kyosho wheels. Usually Kyosho gives you white, so that's probably what you guys will get as well. Right off the rip, you get your diff cases. This is your diff build. You get the front arm, side rail, steering system, your shocks, more individual parts, diffs, drivetrain, CVAs, all right there. You get two wings. You also get more stuff here, your drivetrain, bearings, caster blocks, all that good stuff is all there. And then you get your new ZX7 body, which I dig the lines on this new body. And then obviously you get the new chassis, which the new chassis has new milling. The darker milled spots have been milled a little bit differently to change the flex up on the car. So that's what you get there. For the most part, that's really it. I mean, you get your shock system, or not your shock system, but your rear tower, wing mount, all that good stuff. I mean, it's pretty much straightforward. It's all packaged the same as the RB7. Everything has been, they have changed the way they have started packaging the kits a little bit more. But that's pretty much what you get when you order your brand new Kyosho ZX7. So just wanted to go ahead and share that with you guys and show you guys what you get when you order your new Lazer car. So thanks everyone for watching, and we will definitely make some videos on it once we get it all built and ready to go. Alright guys, take care.